team of scientists in a high-tech lab celebrating a breakthrough. They've spent 12 years and $2 billion developing a drug for Alzheimer's. But in phase 3 trials, it fails. Patients show no improvement. The lab goes silent. This isn't a scene from a movie, it's reality. Over 90% of drugs fail this way. But what if I told you a silent revolution is brewing? One where AI doesn't just assist scientists, it rewrites the rules. Meet BullFrog AI. Their secret weapon? bfLEAP. An AI platform that doesn't just analyze data, it dreams in data. While humans take months to study a single genetic pathway, bfLEAP maps thousands in hours. How? By treating diseases like a codebreaker cracking a cipher. Take schizophrenia. For decades, doctors treated symptoms, hallucinations, mood swings. But BullFrog's AI dug deeper. It found a hidden link between a gene called CASENH2 and abnormal brain cell communication. This wasn't a guess. It was a revelation buried in 40 years of overlooked data. But BullFrog isn't working alone. Their partnership with the Lieber Institute unlocked a treasure trove. Brain scans, genetic profiles, and clinical records of 10,000 plus patients. Traditional methods, like finding a needle in a haystack. bfLEAP, it built a magnetic map of the haystack. Suddenly, patterns emerged. A protein misfolding here, a neurotransmitter imbalance there. For the first time, researchers saw schizophrenia not as a mental disorder, but as a molecular puzzle. And puzzles can be solved. Now, the billion-dollar question. Will AI replace doctors? Let's ask Dr. Sarah Lee, an oncologist. 5 years ago, I'd spend weeks planning a cancer treatment. Now, AI shows me options I never imagined, like repurposing a rheumatoid arthritis drug for lung cancer. But it can't hold my patient's hand. BullFrog's CEO, Vin Singh, agrees. AI isn't the hero. It's the hero's tool. We're giving scientists X-ray vision to see diseases at the atomic level. But the revolution isn't limited to brains. Meet Monas AI. Their mission? To outsmart cancer's greatest trick, evolution. Glioblastoma, a deadly brain tumor, mutates faster than we can study it. But Monas's AI predicts its moves like a chess grandmaster. In 2024, their model found a weakness, a protein called BCL2 that shields cancer cells. By combining existing drugs, they created a smart bomb that shattered this shield. Lab to human trials? 18 months, not 7 years. This is the future. So, what's next? By 2030, your medicine could be as unique as your fingerprint. Imagine a world where your DNA is scanned at birth, creating a health blueprint. AI predicts diseases before symptoms appear, like a weather forecast for your body. Doctors become medical detectives, using AI to solve mysteries in minutes. But with great power comes risk. What if hackers steal genetic data? Or AI favors cheap treatments over life-saving ones? The answer? Humans must stay in control. AI suggests, we decide. In the end, this isn't a story about machines. It's about hope. Hope for a mom with Alzheimer's to recognize her daughter again. Hope for a cancer patient to live decades, not months. BullFrog, Monas, and others are building a bridge to that future. And on the other side, a world where incurable is just a word, not a life sentence.